Hey YouTube, what's going on? Tyler Mulder here. Welcome back to the Geary Fishing YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to paint your own jig heads. So let's get straight into it. Now before you start anything, what you need to do is grab your rack here and preheat your toaster oven to 350 degrees. So I'm just going to turn it all the way on just so that it has time to heat up. And now we can go on to the next step. So today I'm going to be painting 4 jig heads. 2 of them are going to be orange, 2 of them are going to be green pumpkin. So what you do is take your color, or if you have 2 of them it doesn't matter, just shake them up, and then all you do is gotta open them. And then the next thing you're going to do is take your jig head and you have to heat it up with just a lighter or torch, or doesn't matter. So all you do is just heat it up, and then once it's hot enough, you dip it in the paint. Make sure to get any excess paint off of there, and then you gotta shake it. And there you have jig head number 1. And then you just repeat the process. So after your oven has preheated enough, it's time to put the jig heads in. Just hang them onto your tray just like this. Slide it in. Close the door and make sure the timer is set for 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes is up, you can go ahead and take your jig heads out, let them cool off for a little bit. Doesn't take very long. And then you should have something that turns out just like that. I will have in the description all the links for everything that I've used in this video. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.